Interior Ministry will work with locals to restore normalcy in parts of Mandera hard hit by terror.
Interior Cabinet Secretary Dr. Fred Matiangi today met leaders from the northeastern region barely a week after a terror attack on Arabia Boys Secondary School, which claimed 2 non-local teachers in an effort meant to arrive at solutions for the persistent terror activities in the region.
The death of 2 non-local teachers in an attack on a school by Al-Shabaab militias has sparked the latest round of actions meant to combat terror, with the national examinations about to start. Interior CS Dr. Fred Matiangi met northern Kenyan leaders in a bid to address the problem that has rendered parts of Mandera Al-Shabaab control zones. Leaders say Al-Shabaab is crippling the region.
The people of northern Kenya mourn loss of lives as well as the socio-economic alienation of the region as a result of targeted attacks by Al-Shabaab that has alienated the region socio-economically.
National Majority Leader Aden Duale urged residents to work together with the government to ensure an end to the attacks by Al-Shabaab.
We'll go to the north, we'll start with Garissa, where we'll address leadership meeting. We'll go to Wajir and we'll go to Mandera to make sure that the citizens and the masses in that region be part and parcel in the ongoing operations.
We have discussed at length how we are going to work together to ensure that we not only mobilize our people in the northeastern part of our country, but line up the security resources in the country to support that part of our nation.
Matiangi said that they shall continue working hand in hand with the leaders to ensure peace and security has been achieved.
I want to assure all Kenyans who work in the northeastern part of our country, wherever they come from in Kenya, all public servants, whether they are teachers, health professionals, administrators, our police officers, all public servants who work in the northeastern part of our country, that they are safe.
The recent terror attack in Mandera has seen CS Matiangi sending a stern warning to the perpetrators and assuring the locals that the government is doing all that it could to uphold security, especially during the upcoming exam period. Helen Aura, NTV.